Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make your own emojis in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to create your own emojis, so let's see how can you do that. You can easily do that in your iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Plus. So you just simply open your settings, and the very first I recommend you have to check for some settings. So you have to make sure that you are on the latest version of your iOS. There's any pending software update here. If you find this, try to update your software, and you have to make sure that you're on iOS 18 or later. So after doing this, just simply go to Apple Intelligence and Siri, and just enable Apple Intelligence from here. And once you have enabled, just simply go back and just open any of your messaging app. So let's say I'm gonna open my iMessage here. Just tap on the message option here, and you just have to tap on this emoji option to access your emojis. Now in your emojis, you might see the Genmoji option here. Just tap on this, and now on this screen, you can easily create your own emoji. You can create emoji by describing or by writing a prompt, or you can also choose any emojis from inside here. So let's say I'm gonna choose some emojis. So the very first I'm gonna choose this one, and the second I'm going to choose this one and also this one. Once I've done, just wait for this loading and it will create a new emoji for you. So you can also get some more options. It might creating emojis. Just swipe and you will get different emojis from here. So which one you want, just tap on the option at the top right and it will be saved for you. Now you can tap on this send option and it will be sent. So in this way, you can easily create your own emojis in your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.